Hey fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if it's your first time here, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. In this video, I'm going to be giving you an update of Makhumalo says it is hard to accept wife number 5 of Musa Mseleku because she knows her. Makhumalo, one of Musa Mselegu's most beloved wives, has opened up about the deep pain she is experiencing after learning that her husband has taken a fifth wife, someone she knows personally. What makes this situation even more heartbreaking is that the new wife comes from the same place as Makhumalo, making the betrayal feels even more personal. She never expected the twist in her polygamous marriage, and now she left to deal with the emotional weight of it all. For years, Makhumalo has stood by Mselegu's side, embracing the challenges that come with being in a polygamous marriage. She has always expressed her willingness to support her husband's vision, but this time she feels that a line has been crossed. She is not just dealing with another wife, she is dealing with someone she knows, someone from her own background. The shock of the revelation has left her feeling like her trust and promises have been broken. What hurts her the most is that Mseleku did not inform her beforehand. In a marriage that thrives on communication and mutual respect, she expected at least a conversation before such a life-altering decision was made. Instead, she found herself blindsided, forced to accept a reality she had no control over. The pain of discovering her husband's new wife in this manner has left her feeling deeply hurt and disrespected. Makhumalo is not struggling with the idea of another woman in the family. She is struggling with the fact that this woman is someone she knows well. It raises questions about whether Mseleku considered how this will affect her emotionally. Did he underestimate the depth of her feelings, or what will a decision he made without any regard for her pain? For many, polygamy is a lifestyle choice that requires understanding and acceptance. But even in such marriages, trust and communication remain crucial. Makhumalo's distress highlights how difficult it can be to navigate emotions in a polygamous setting. When promises feel broken and emotions run high, the balance in the family is shaken. Leku's decision to marry a fifth wife without informing Makhumalo first has now created tension. Will she eventually come to accept this new reality, or will this be the beginning of a deeper rift in their marriage? Her pain is real, and her feelings of betrayal are valid. Now, all eyes are on how will she handle this emotional storm and whether Mseleku will acknowledge the hurt she is experiencing. Thank you very much for watching. Till we meet on the next video.